Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the battery pack and rubber caps. This exposes the 4 Torx screws you must remove. Use a T8 driver for the face screws and keep each screw separated so you know location. Once done, insert a plastic spudger between the rear shell seam and gently twist to free clips. This prevents cracking the plastic. Make sure to work slowly along the seam. You want even pressure to disengage clips instead of forcing a single spot and breaking tabs. Once the rear shell lifts, pause. There are ribbon cables connecting the front and back. You must make note of the short flat flex and detach it using a spudger at the socket. This protects the connectors. Next, remove the battery contact plate and any small internal screws that hold the board and trigger assemblies. When you unscrew the thumbstick modules, keep springs and washers organized. Make sure to note orientation of triggers and D-pad so reassembly is straightforward. You finish by removing the analog modules, bumper assemblies, and trigger halves. Work one module at a time so nothing is lost. Clean contact areas with isopropyl and inspect small micro-switches. Replace any that show burn marks or inconsistent actuation because that fixes sticky inputs. Before snapping the shell closed, reconnect ribbons and do a quick bench test with batteries to confirm buttons and sticks respond. If something fails, recheck ribbon seating and screw locations as a common fix that resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.